10, and let's sing happy birthday while we wash our hands, because that's what we do these days, right? If I can get this thing to stay there. 10 seconds. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday today, 10. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Rubbing, rubbing, scrubbing, scrubbing, rubbing and scrubbing and rubbing and scrubbing. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Alright, that's about 20 seconds. And we're rinsing. And that's hot. Alright, you guys. Clean hands, day 10. Let's get the shite moving. Alright, eating the pita. Pita! Alright, out in the yard. Looking a little overgrown. Weeds are a little crazy today. Haven't taken a shower yet because, you know, yard work. It's a little overcast, but yeah, so we have a new oak tree growing. Oak tree growing. You see it there? We've got calla lilies. They look really nice. What else to tell you? What other features can we look at here? We have a dead plant. So this is just a rental house. Our house in Santa Barbara is still there. But part of our contract is to take care of the yard. So every couple of weeks we get out here. And since it's been raining, haven't been able to get out here. So I'm gonna out here, pull the weeds, and look better. Let me flip you around. Here's my office. There's the front door. Garbage. Plum tree. Oh look, the cooter with the machine. Give it a buzz buzz. Woo! That's hot. Alright, progress check. Pulling weeds, making things beautiful. Cooter's pulling weeds. Had to get out some bigger tools. Alright, more update. So, I thought this was interesting. I hope you guys can hear me. So, these red, non-fruiting trees, they send off suckers, and their children are these green ones. So genetically, they want to go back to nature, not the selected red, which I think is quite interesting. So, there's some eugenics for you. Alright, making some progress, pulling weeds, chopping the shit. I don't know if I'm doing progress checks because y'all want to see what has been happening, or just because I need a little break. So, chopped everything up. Just need to get it in the barrel. Old bamboo, the old bamboo. Alright, I don't claim to be a gardener, and the yards in our area are more of a natural setting, so we just cleaned everything up a little bit. It's not a formal English garden, not everything has to be ship-shape, but I think it looks a lot better. The trees lean because of the wind. I think it looks pretty darn good. You can hear the wind, you can hear the birds, you can hear the cleaning people next door. It's annoying. Anyway, also cleaned up the yard a little bit for the old people next door. Just trying to be neighborly in these times, so cleaned up their sidewalks and such. Yeah, I think it looks pretty good. Love these flowers. Alright, day 10, project done. Alright, yard work done. Dealing with my mom and the family. Mom's in the hospital. I don't know if I already told you guys that, but... And Cooter just made me a luscious sandwich, crunchy style. Turkey and bacon and mayo. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. Thanks, Cooter. Alright, just an update. Repackaged the sugar into containers just to keep it fresh. And we've got some water, just tap water, just in case anything happens. So, I know y'all are shocked. I am scanning, and I was just reading all the updates from Amazon about what they are what is with my eye? It's so bad. What they are allowing to be shipped in and what they are not allowing to be shipped in. So, as you can imagine, Amazon is being impacted as well as the rest of the world. So, not only are they having limitations of what stuff that they can send out, gotta feed the beast, feed the beast. But they're also having limitations of what can be sent in, and obviously cookbooks are not essential right now. Apocalypse is coming, people. You're gonna need a cookbook somehow. How else are you gonna prepare that dog? So yeah, they're limiting what's being sent in, and they don't even let you make a shipment to send in. So I just have stuff just piling up. It's either scanned or it's in the system, whatever. Now I can mail my own stuff, and that's great if you'd like to buy something from me. But in the meantime, just trying to keep up with all the quarantine stuff and what is allowed to go to Amazon and what is not. So it's interesting times we're living in. Just had a nice conversation with my dad. I don't know how much to tell you about this. So my mom has been in the hospital for 3 days. She's tested positive for the thing that's going on right now because they're not allowed to say it apparently on YouTube. With demonetization and all. But anyway, yeah, today they had to put her on an induced coma so that the ventilator would work. Freaking out a little bit. I won't have to say too much about that, but yeah. So if you're wondering why I'm a little sketchy and why I'm making weird videos, maybe now you understand. Okay, more later. Okay, guys, it's like 2 a.m. in the morning, and I've been working and scanning, and yeah, so you can just imagine it's been a long day. It's been a good day. Here I am, scanning, different computer, scanning. Yeah, forgot to put a shirt on today. Well, I didn't say that. I did yard work, I did all kinds of crap, I did cleaning, I did dusting, I did office stuff, and took a shower, and then I forgot to put a shirt back on. And it's been warm enough in the house all day, so, because we had the door closed, can't even talk. Excuse me, water. I've been watching some Emmy. Emmy, I love you. If you're watching me and doing some scans. Currently, we are scanning the Jersey Shore Cooks and Artists book from like 1956. So it's been a good day. Happy day 10. I guess we're moving on to day 11 now. If you're watching, thanks for watching. Keeping my sanity. A lot of people have been reaching out about my mom. That's really nice. Everybody. I won't go into names, but you know who you are because, yeah. Anywho, it's quiet, and I think I'm about to wrap this up and go to bed because apparently time doesn't matter now. So, but I am tired. So, alright, guys, I will see you on day 11. Take care.